Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. If I look a little different, I got an upgraded phone for my wedding anniversary. 7 years as of the 13th. Yay! Anniversary presents rock. Bow, bow, bow. Happy holidays. It's that time of year. And I've decided I'm going to do an under the mistletoe look today. Yeah, so it's going to be green with the Dirty Martini palette from Glamlite. And some succulent red lips. If you speak Espanol. But I'm going to be doing a look with this palette, which I've used before, but it's been quite a few minutes. And it's going to make a beautiful holiday look. So let's get started with doing this eye look. I do have hooded eyes, so this is technically a hooded eye tutorial. A tutorial. That means I'm showing you what to do. So there's not like a great neutral base in here, but there's some really great shimmers. So I'm going to go into the shimmer called Just a Splash and put it in the crease here. And it is a beautiful copper with a shimmer of green to it, so it's almost like a duochrome. Ooh, I hear some sirens outside. Some shenanigans are afoot. So we're just planning out our holiday season, and it's very low-key, which is fine with me. I've had big family stuff, I've had the small intimate things, and I prefer the intimate things. So we're just gonna have a couple friends over on Christmas Day. We celebrate opening our presents on Christmas Eve because I cannot wait to open presents, and I cannot wait for presents to be opened that I give. Are you like that? I sometimes give presents early because I just can't wait to see how they're going to react to how fabulous the present is. That's just how I am. I can't change. Or I won't change. Which is it? Can't or won't? How about I just don't? Speaking of change, these roots are driving me insane in the membrane, so I'll be getting new hair this week, so you'll see new hair soon. And I'm going back to colorful hair. It's been nice being neutral and blonde with some dark in it, but I'm ready for something a little different. Back to the old grind, but I love it. I'm going to go into green olive here. It's beautiful, and it's got a little olive shape there. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe, blah, blah. I don't know the words, but this is the idea of the look. But I wouldn't kiss Santa Claus because I don't know where he's been. He gets around. And what if they don't leave the cookies and milk? Does he demand other things? I don't know. We only know the sanitized version of Santa Claus. Oh my God. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus. Do 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 do. Man, this is green as hell, but I think it's looking awesome. And my eyes are always cousins, but never twins. I never get them to look the same ever. It's not that I don't try. They just don't like to cooperate. Alrighty. That's enough of the green olive, I think. I'm going to pair this once again with a nice bright lip. I wonder if this gnome up here has any idea about where Santa has been. It's just a gnome, Rhonda. It's not real. Or is it? Does it come alive at night and do mischief? I don't know. That's an elf on a shelf, I think. I never had an elf on a shelf. Did you have an elf on a shelf? Or is that just things for modern kids? I'm going to go into Vodkatini here and do this green shimmer. And it's a little, so it's really pretty silvery green. Oh, that looks nice and bright compared to the olive. I mean, it's a different brightness because it got shimmer to it, which the olive green does not. I'm going to blend out the olive green a little and soften it up before I add anything else. You know, softening up things that are very bright is a good thing. So that way you can have more color. It's so bright. It's so bright. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to go into a darker green that's called Dry Vermouth here in the corner. I'm going to get a little flat brush and just darken it up here. Give it some depth. So my eyes will be the green of the mistletoe and my lips will be the berries. No, the berries are white. I'm thinking of something else. I'm thinking of holly. Maybe I'm doing a holly look. I don't know. I'm still going to call it mistletoe. That's working really nicely. It's really giving a lot of depth to this look. And I am loving it so much. So with that, I'm going to shut the door on this. I'm going to put a little mascara and liner on and I'll be right back. Voila, we have mascara and liner and it really pulled this look together. Now we're going to do a beautiful red, a bouncy red, a festive red, or should we go, this is a little more pink red, this is a little more berry red. We'll do this. This is Super Matte Stay ink number 340 in Exhilaration. And we want a nice pouty kissable lip. Ooh, yeah. That looks fantastic. And I'm super thrilled with this look. And I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoy this holiday look. And I hope you get to kiss somebody under the mistletoe this year. And I hope it's somebody what to kiss. Have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon. Happy holidays!